Hello guys, welcome to the last video of the coreData app. In this video, we're going to sort the data according to the priority. Since the priorities here are strings, high, medium and low, I'm going to assign integers value to each of this priority, like 0, 1 and 2, and I'm going to save this data together with priority and task. So let's go to our CVC. I'm going to check if the priority is 0, then I'm going to set the order value as 0, and if it is medium, order is going to be 1, and if it is high, order is going to be 3. So let's if priority dot text is equal to low, then we will set order. Order is the variable that we created before. Order is equal to 0. I'm going to copy paste this one twice. If it is medium, I'm going to set the order attribute as 1. If it is high, I'm going to say 2. Okay, now let's go to our main view controller. Here inside of our fetch function, here I'm going to create a NL sort descriptors. So let sort is equal to NS sort descriptor. I'm going to select the third one. Here key is going to be order, ascending false. Now I'm going to set this sort descriptor as to our request dot sort descriptors is equal to, I'm going to pass this one sort descriptors using an array sort. Okay, that's it. Let's run. I'm going to delete this data here. Now I'm going to add some of random tasks with random priority. Let's say let's eat with priority of high, saved. Let's run low. Let's jump high. Let's fly medium, and let's dance low. Let's sing medium. If you observe here, we saved the task with random priority and randomly. So now I'm going back, and we have here our data, the task that we said before with priority, and they are now arranged in an order from high to low, high, medium and low. So we are able to sort the data according to the priority. Now I'm going to do some of the changes to our app in order to finish our coreData app. First, I'm going to add a task, a header to our table view. Let's say title for header. In section, I'm going to return title. We're going to set task as our title. Now this one looks much better. I'm going to second VC. Here, if you observe, we have our picker view is already showed up here. I just wanted to show off when I'm clicking on the priority. So in order to do that, I'm going to our save VC. Here, in the beginning, I'm going to hide the picker view. Let's say picker dot is hidden is equal to true. Now I just want the picker view to pop up when I'm click on the text field. In order to do that, I need to implement a text field delegate method. So I'm going to confirm to your text field delegate. Now I need to set the priority text field dot delegate as self. Now I'm going to implement a method text field did select. Text field did begin editing. That is, when we click on the text field, we're going to make the picker view reappear again. So picker view dot is hidden first. Yes, let's run the program. In the beginning, the picker view it was hidden. Now it's appear when I click on the text field. Now if you observe here, if I click something, if I type something, and if I give some priority, I'm clicking on the save button, and still it's real somewhat like hard to find whether our data is saved or not by simply clicking on this one. I just want uh, to go back when I clicked on the save button. So in order to do that, I'm going to our save EC. Instead of a save button here, I'm going to set our self dot navigational controller dot pop view controller. Let it be true. This line will direct us from the second VC to our main VC directly soon after we clicked on the save button. Plus, let's run. This one looks much better. You can see here. Let's run with the medium priority is already saved. Another problem we are facing here is if I save something like say something random, I give save button without priority. I'm able to save. This is not actually a good method. So even if I give simply priority and without a task name, I'm able to save. So in order to avoid this problem, I'm going to add a UI alert controller inside of our save button. So I'm going to check whether the priority text not equal to empty, and we have to make sure our priority dot text is not equal to empty, and also our task dot text is not equal to empty before we give before we click on the save button. So if these two things are not empty, then we can go further, that is we can save the context, or else I'm going to implement a UI alert controller. Let's create an alert controller. Let alert is equal to UI alert controller. Open the bracket. I'm going to select the last one. Here title is going to be incomplete field. Message nothing. Preferred style is going to be alert style. I'm also going to create an action. Let action is equal to UI alert action. I'm going to select the second one. The title is here is going to be OK, and style is going to be cancel. Handler just give nil. Now I'm going to add this action to our alert. So alert dot actions add actions, uh, action. Here when user click on the OK, the when the alert showed up, there will be two text incomplete fields, and there is an action button that is OK. When user click on the OK, it will simply cancel the operation, that it will not go further. So now we need to present this one. So let's say present alert. Okay, that's it. And also one more thing, we need to give animation. Animated, let it be true. Okay, let's run. I'm going to say something, let's say something random. Okay, now I'm going to click on the save button. I didn't select the priority. If you observe, I cannot go further. Now there is a URL controller popping up. Incomplete fields. I'm simply clicking on OK. Now I'm going to clear this one. I'm going to simply select the priority without any task. Now I'm going to click on the save button. I'm still getting an alert. Now I'm going to save something. Say let's eat something. With the low priority, I'm going to save. Here, this time you are able to save the data. So this is it guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.